247 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 22nd October. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 22nd October, 348 people recovered in last 24 hours. 7 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 41,586. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,991. Total recovered cases stands at 38,031. Total 564 deaths are reported till 22nd October. Goa's recovery rate is 91.45%. Total samples tested till 22nd October are 2,86,711. Breakup of total 2,991 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholem 115, CSC Sakre 114, CSC Pernam 82, CSC Walpai 65, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 144, USC Panji 144, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 51, PSC Petki 33, PSC Kandolem 125, PSC Kansarvarnam 17, PSC Korwae 66, PSC Kolem 85, PSC Chimpal 203, PSC Sholem 90, PSC Porvorim 196, PSC Mayam 23, Travelers by Road Flight Train 2. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 59, CSC Kankona 52, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 256, USC Vasco 166, Primary Health Center, PSC Pali 53, PSC Kansaulem 69, PSC Chinchenem 14, PSC Kortalim 145, PSC Kurtorim 93, PSC Lutolem 51, PSC Marsayam 49, PSC Kapam 86, PSC Sangam 41, PSC Shiroda 34, PSC Darbandora 37, PSC Ponda 194, PSC Navalim 37. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 22nd October are as follows. District North, total capacity 469, current vacancy 323. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 816. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.